Hello guys, welcome today. I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make $150 with just $25. Now as you can see, the evidence is clear. This is how the market goes. This is how long I've took the trade for long, and we are still going a bit far, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys on how to this trade, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this trade. So if you are watching this video for the first time and you're a beginner in this market trade, please like, comment, share this video to as many as you can, and don't forget to comment what you actually think about this video and let us see. Alright, so I made this particular money not with guess, not with suggestion, not with anything. I know exactly how to make this money over and over again. So I will recommend you, if you are lost in, if you are running loss in forex trading, grow your account into many places, but yet you end up blowing your account into zero equity. Punches to my day right now. I'm going to be growing your account into massive profit, and I'm going to be making it very, 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 very obvious so that you will learn how to do this particular pattern. Alright, so punch into my DM right now and see for yourself. For an account management, punch into my DM. I'll be dropping my link on my comment section or on my description. Alright, so if you are actually new in forex trading, this is your opportunity to make a living out of yourself and to make massive profit. So I didn't want to do this, but I decided to do it because many people have been asking me how I used to turn my particular trade into massive profit, how I used to Skype this particular trade into massive profit. So I decided to make this video for you guys to see how I did it. Now, first of all, this is not a long trade, this is a scalping. So you have to go in and go out. That's how to trade it. You have to go in and go out because your equity is probably very small. If you stay long in markets, you are going to blow the equity off the market. All right, if there is if there is a reversal at this point, the market is gone. Mind you, this is 30 minutes time frame, so it's not really that long. So if there is a reversal in this particular market, your money is actually gone. And I use 0.01 lot size. In case you guys are asking how many lot size I used, I can't remember the positions I placed, but I think I placed over 5 to 7 positions. I think, yeah, exactly 7 positions, and I made over um $200 in this particular video. All right, so stay tuned. If you watch to this particular extent, it means you are actually learning a lot in this forex trading. Now I'll be dropping my links that will actually uh teach you guys on how to make. I'm actually teaching you guys on how to make massive profit and every details you need to know about this particular trade in my DM, or should I say it, in my free Telegram group, where we share free signals and free education on how to make this particular money. So what are you waiting for? Punch it to my DM or go to the link on my comment sections and take the link over there and join our Telegram group. Start making massive profit like this, right? So for those of you guys that have actually been asking me which broker is the best, how did I trade this particular equity to this particular extent, how often do we trade, and everything you need to know will be in that free Telegram channel, because I will be updating you guys every details I'll be doing every trading I'll be taking, and I'm going to be showing you guys in details. So what are you waiting for? Go to my DM right now, or go to my comment section and link the two links I've dropped there in order to participate in everything we need to be doing. All right. So this is actually a small retracement. This market is going to give me a small retracement because of these bullish candlesticks that have been happening here. So this market is going to give me a little, sorry, a little retracement, and still start going down. But the retracement is not going to be that long. It will just be a little bit retracement. All right, so that you see that this market is actually not fake. Now let me open my withdraw button. You see, right? You see how real this particular trade is. All right, so I'll make sure I show everything in details for those of you guys that have been doubting me, that have not been making this massive profit with a little equity account. This is your proof, and this is how we made it. Or we are actually trading support and resistance. So if you want to know, want to learn how to trade support and resistance level, punch into my DM or come to our Telegram group, free Telegram group, where we'll be sharing all this kind of secret to you in details. And don't forget to like, comment, share this video to as many as you can, and comment what you actually think about the video. You if you go closer to the subscribe button, you see the bell notification button. You need to turn it on at all times, so that if anytime I post this kind of video, you'll be the first to actually see it and watch and learn many things about this particular video. All my video have been teaching you guys a lot. Maybe you are not paying attention, or you are not getting the fact that the video is teaching you a lot. You are focusing on making money, but I'm teaching you forex trading. Then you're focusing on making money. You have to learn what you do to make money before you make money out of it. That is one thing I normally used to tell everybody, or every of my downline that have been uh learning from me in my academy. And this is exactly how it is. Now, as you can see, the market started retracing, trying to go down a little bit, but now, believe me, the market is still going to say what you don't know. So we are going to make about approximately about 1k dollars in this particular trade. So you can still be making this particular money. See you guys in my next upper video, and have a nice day.